It's National Safe Boating Week, which means it's about time for us to go do some research. But first, let's take a look at our boat and our trailer, starting with the trailer. First, we'll look at the hitch and the hitch wiring, make sure that's in good nick. Then move down the trailer, looking at the bow roller and the roller strap, make sure that that's good to go. The trailer frame, looking for cracks and anything like that. And then a braking system, if you have one, make sure that the brakes are good and the discs are good. Then onto trailer lighting. Go ahead and plug in our trailer. And then by turning on the headlights and the emergency indicators, we should illuminate all the bulbs on the trailer, including the brake lights, indicators, and the side lights. Onto the boat. Let's open up our boat box and take a look at our logbook and checklists, making sure that there's nothing outstanding that needs doing. Then onto our first aid kits, looking for expired medications before taking a deep dig into our boat box, looking at expired flares, sound signaling devices, flashlights, SOS lights, additional offshore flares, distress flags, and more sound producing devices. Another thing to look at is our fire extinguishers, and then turn everything on and off, making sure that our lights are good to go, including our all-around white, and then our electronics, including our GPS, VHF, etc. By now we should have had our boat serviced, and the oil, fuel, oil filters, zincs, propeller, etc. should all be in good nick, ready for us to hit the road and go do some research. Be safe out there, and don't forget your life jacket.